Good morning, English literature class. We'll be having revision. I told you, revision of Jojo's Pet. So be ready, children. Take out your books and sit straight, pay attention and listen what I'm saying. So, Jojo's Pet. I have told you all the story, I explained it. We have done the exercises, question, answers and everything. Yes, but today we will do a bit revisions because we are going to have unit test 3, isn't it? So you should be prepared for it. Now one day Jojo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. Where did Jojo see the baby birds? Jojo saw the baby birds in the bushes. Where did that baby bird get hurt? The baby bird got hurt on where? In one of the wings. And who wanted to help the baby bird? Jojo wanted to help the baby bird. He carried the baby bird home in his basket. And then he took what? A hammer, some nails and woods. Can you say why? To build a house for the baby bird. What name? Actually, the baby bird now became Jojo's pet because Jojo started loving the baby bird. Okay? So it's become a pet, and now Jojo, what happened? Jojo started giving food to the baby bird, made a home for the baby bird, and Jojo used to catch insects and give to the baby bird, and also in a small bowl, in a cup, used to give water for the bird to drink. Can you say what was the name of the baby bird? Yes, the baby bird name was Tweety. The baby bird name was Tweety. So, Jojo started taking care of Tweety, and Tweety's wings slowly started getting better. After a few days, Tweety was fine. She could able to fly. Yes, what do the birds do? Birds fly. This Tweety actually was a baby, But slowly, after its wings got well, it learned how to fly and it started loving Jojo. And Jojo also used to love him, and Tweety would fly and come and sit on Jojo's hand, play with him. But how was the bird? The bird was little bit naughty. One morning, Jojo could not find whom? Jojo could not find his top because Jojo liked to play top. His top was missing. He looked everywhere before going to the school. But what happened? Jojo looking where the top gone because he wanted to take the top to school so that in the school free period, on the PT period or something, he can play. But he could not find his top anywhere. So he got ready for the school and then he went to put on his boots. So when he went to put on his boots, he found he could not wear it. One boot he put on, but the other boot he could not put in his leg inside. So he was thinking, what is there inside that boot that I cannot wear? So while he started to lift up the boot and he tried to shake and find out what it was there, he found Tweety making a noise. And Tweety flapped and laughed and went making a noise. So still Jojo took up the boot and nicely shaking. While Jojo held the boot up and shook it. And what happened? All of a sudden, the top which he was looking for, it fell down. So now Jojo found the top, and as the top fell on the floor, Tweety nicely making noise, because Tweety did the mischief. And Tweety flapped her wings and went or laughed, tweet, tweet, tweet. And that was the laughing of the bird. That noise, Tweety, how did she laugh? By making noise, tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay? Actually, Jojo's top he kept somewhere. But Tweety took that top and put it inside the boot. Understood? And so Jojo could not find it. So when he found it and he could not put on his boot, and when the top fell out after looking for it, so Tweety was very happy about it. And then started laughing. But see, Jojo, he was also a very sweet boy. He understood the joke, So Jojo did not get angry at all. What happened? He also enjoyed. He also laughed. He picked up his bag, put on his boots, he lifted up his bag, and he went to school. So from this story we come to know that Tweety and Jojo becomes friends, isn't it? And since Tweety was cured by Jojo, Tweety used to love Jojo very much. Okay? So this is a very nice story about a small bird who got hurt very badly on the wing and was taken care by also a small boy whose name was Jojo and the bird name was Tweety. So this is the story. Who was Tweety? Tweety was a baby bird. Where did Jojo find Tweety? Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. Why could Tweety not fly? Tweety could not fly because... Why? Could not fly because she was hurt in one wing. What did Jojo give Tweety to eat? Jojo gave Tweety insects to eat. So, hope I have explained this. Now you have no problem. Just go through the chapters nicely, learn the question answers, and what the exercises are there. Please do it. And do your Unit 3 test well. Okay? See you all for the next class after Unit 3 is over. We will proceed with new chapters again, because now we will proceed for the preparation for half-yearly examination. Okay, take care. We'll meet again. Okay.